Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you people are staying at your home, staying safe. So today we are going to make KFC style fried chicken. So let's see what are the ingredients we need to make KFC style fried chicken. Buttermilk, hot sauce, salt and chicken. So for the first marination I am going to put the buttermilk. I am going to add the hot sauce to it. I am going to add the salt and have to mix it. So in this mixture I am going to add the chicken pieces. So in this marination I am going to keep this chicken for half an hour, but if you have time, so I suggest please keep this chicken for 3 hours. So because in this marination we also added this buttermilk and hot sauce. So in buttermilk we have lactic acid and in hot sauce we have vinegar. So this both things help the chicken to tenderize more. So and also add additional flavor to it. So what I suggest, so if you have time, so please marinate it for 3 hours or otherwise for half an hour to 1 hour. So friends, till now our chicken get marinated. So in between this time we're going to do our rest of work, like we're going to make our seasoned flour and we're going to make another batter with egg. So first we are going to make the seasoned flour. So let's see what are the ingredients we need to make for making seasoned flour. So for making seasoned flour, first we need flour, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and here I am taking black pepper, but if you have white pepper you can use it, and paprika powder. So for making seasoned flour, first I am going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 spoon I am going to add, and 1.5 spoon I am going to add the ginger powder, 1.5 spoon garlic powder, 1 spoon salt, and 1 spoon pepper powder. And I am going to add little bit of paprika powder. Now we have to mix it nicely. For making the second egg batter, so let's see what are the ingredients we need. Egg batter, I need 3 pieces of egg, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, pepper and paprika powder. For making this batter, I am going to add in this 1.5 spoon of onion powder, 1.5 spoon of garlic powder, 1.5 spoon of ginger powder, half spoon of salt, half spoon of black pepper powder, and half spoon of paprika powder. We have to mix it nicely. So friends, after half an hour our chicken has been marinated. So now we are going to give it the first coating of our seasoned flour. So that's how we have to take one piece of chicken and we have to coat it with seasoned flour nicely. We have done our first covering of the chicken with seasoned flour. So now we are again going to dip this chicken in this batter and again going to crumb it like this. So we are going to dip this crumb chicken in this batter and again going to crumb the chicken. Same seasoned flour we are going to use for crumbing this chicken. In this stage you can use any type of plastic bag or plastic bucket, so it helps you to coat the chicken properly but now I don't have, so I am using this bowl only. So one by one we have to crumb all the chickens like this. So after the second crumbing I am going to add the chicken, the oil, so after the first fry we are going to do the second fry it, because it will provide a super crispiness to it, so we are going to do it second time fry. After the second frying, it looks like this. So it looks like crispy, nice brown. So now we are going to do the plating. So friends, you can see our fried chickens plating is ready. See, it looks how delicious. It's crispy from outside and soft from inside. See the nice brown and crisp coat.